Welcome to today's video tutorial, where we'll show you how to create a captivating sticky video on scroll in WordPress, using the Essential Addons for Elementor plugin. Have you ever wanted to have a video that stays fixed on your webpage as your visitors scroll? Well, with Essential Addons for Elementor, it's easier than ever. To get started, make sure you have the Essential Addons for Elementor plugin installed and activated on your WordPress website. To use this Essential Addons for Elementor element, find the EA Sticky Video element from the search option under the Elements tab. Simply just drag and drop the EA Sticky Video into the drag widget here. From the video section, you can pick the video source from out of these available sources: YouTube, Vimeo, or self-hosted. You can add a video link which you want to play. From video options, you can use the toggle to turn on or off autoplay, mute, loop, video bar, and others. From image overlay section, you can add an image overlay and change its size for the video. If you want, you can even change the default play button icon as well. Switch to the Style tab to style all the features of sticky video. Its interface allows you to change the height and width of the sticky video. You can even change the close button color as well. You can adjust the position of the sticky video as well. It is set to bottom right of the screen by default. By following the basic steps and making a few modifications, you can easily style your sticky video to match your preferences. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thank you.